In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a 4-level drill down dashboard in Tableau using set actions. This process might sound complex, but don't worry. I'm here to make it easy and straightforward every step of the way. First, let's get started by opening your Tableau app. This will be the workspace where we'll build everything, so get comfortable here. Next, drag the category field to rows. This initial step is crucial because it lays the foundation of our dashboard, displaying data categorically across rows, which makes it easier to compare and analyze. Now let's drag sales to columns. This will allow us to see the sales figures linked with each category. By visualizing your data like this, it becomes much easier to spot trends and gain insights. Once that's set up, you'll want to adjust the view to Entire View. By doing this, you ensure that all of your data is visible and accessible, giving you a complete picture without having to scroll around. Next, click on the drop-down arrow in your Tableau interface and select Create Parameter. This is where the magic of interactivity starts happening. Here, give your parameter a name and set the data type to string. This will define what type of data your parameter will accept and process. After that, under Allowable Values, choose List. This setting allows you to define specific selectable values for your dashboard, adding a layer of interactivity. Moving on, choose Add Values From and select Category. This links your parameter to the category field, which is pivotal for creating a meaningful drill-down effect where users can dive deeper into each category. To add a level of manageability, add the value None to your list, then click OK. This option provides users with an easy way to reset or clear selections, streamlining their navigation experience. Click the drop-down arrow once more and select Create Calculated Field. Give it a name, input your query, and click OK. Calculated fields are powerful in Tableau. They allow you to perform computations on your data and use these calculations as part of your visualization. Then, simply drag this newly created field to Rows. This decision integrates the calculations into your dashboard, blending data analysis with visual representation. To enhance usability, go to your parameter and select Show Parameter. This action allows users to actively interact with the dashboard, exploring data at a more granular level. By this point, you'll have a functional drill down. To polish things off, go to the Worksheet tab and select Actions. This feature lets you add interactivity by connecting your dashboard elements to user actions. Click Add Action and select Change Parameter. Name this action, and on the source sheet, choose the worksheet you're working on, which streamlines functionality by making it easy to reference your main sheet. Choose Select for Run Action On, ensuring actions occur when users select items, adding fluidity to interactions. Set the target parameter and source field correctly to ensure smooth data transitions within your dashboard. Finally, select Set Value to, type None, and click OK. This choice resets parameters, allowing users to start fresh without complications. And there you have it, a 4-level drill-down dashboard in Tableau equipped with set actions to enhance user interaction and data exploration.